Hey, it's your girl Crystal. Today I am bringing you this beautiful goddess inspired tutorial using this hair piece made by Golden Goddess Coils and Curls. I purchased it at my local Walmart. It was about $5. So before we get started, your girl is looking a little oily, so I need to go ahead and blot that out. Don't mind me. Happy 2018 to each and every one of you. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. This is the headpiece here. It has an adjustable strap on it, kind of like a bra strap, and it hooks into the end of the metal piece, the little leaves. So I'm going to start you off with style number 1. This is basically your basic goddess crown, I guess I'm going to call it. And what you're going to do is you're going to make you a large flat twist, actually making 2 large flat twists. You're going to do one on the right side. Pick up 2 large pieces of hair, and as you twist around, you just pick up a little bit more hair as you go until you get to the back of your head, about the back middle of your neck. When you get to that spot, you're going to stop. I used 2 hairpins for this style, guys. I took 1 hairpin, and you're going to secure that first twist you did, like I am showing you here. You're going to you see. And then the same exact thing is going to be done on the other side of your head. Pick up 2 large pieces, start twisting, and then simply just pick up your hair that's hanging down as you go and work your way around to the back of your head until you get to where you secure the other side. Once you get there, you're just going to pin your hair underneath it, and voila, you have style number 1. Alright, moving on to style 2. This is basically kind of like a top knot, super high bun inspired goddess look here. I love how this simple chain can transform your hairstyle into a completely different look. Have you out here, looking like royalty or something. It's so chic. So anyway, I take all of my hair, I brush it up as high as I can possibly get, like as close to my forehead as I can go. So it's sitting right at the top in front of my head. And once I do that, I take my ponytail holder and I wrap it around and secure about 3 times and secure the hair into a very loose bun. I just pull the hair through and leave the ends sitting in the ponytail holder. Give it a little bit of fluff and shape and everything. So yeah, there's just the bun by itself. I now need to adjust my chain because with my hair being down, I needed the chain to be looser so that it could fit around all of my hair. But now that my hair is all pulled up, I need to size it down a little bit to fit around my little peanut head. So I did that, and then voila, we have style number 2. All set, ready to go. Each style, super easy. Just giving you guys a close-up, turn around, show you guys the back. Oh, I think I'm feeling myself a little bit. Let's have a little Vogue moment. Am I dancing? Lord Jesus, what am I doing? Okay, anyway, moving on to style number 3. This is going to be my side swept goddess inspired look, and I'm taking all of my hair, brushing it over to my left side. Next, I need to take my ponytail holder to hold the hair over to the side while I wrap my chain around my hair and secure it. After adjusting and everything, this is kind of cute on its own with a little bit of tweaking. I think this little, just letting it hang by itself would actually be a cute look as well. But I'm going to go ahead and twist it into a large flat twist, kind of like I did on style number 1, only but all of the hair is coming over to this side, and we're going to have it hang down over on my clavicle. So twist down. I'm sorry if you guys hear background noise. I kind of hear some dogs barking, and I'm like, really? Anyway, so yeah, I'm twisting all the way down, and to secure the twist, I'm putting a little bitty braid at the end. So I'm taking it, splitting it into 3 sections and putting a braid at the end, separating it, fluffing it up a little bit, adjusting that chain. Be very careful with the chain because it can get tangled in your hair. So when you're manipulating it, just be careful that you don't yank your hair out. But yeah, guys, this is style number 3, and I absolutely love these pieces. I purchased them with my own money, even bought 2 more for my sisters, and we all love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye bye.